I'm reviewing a slime kit, and it comes with different directions and very detailed that it'll be easy for kids to follow. Also comes with some cute stickers. I think, yeah, they're glow in the dark. They're glow in the dark. It has everything you need to make slime. Definitely recommend these for the kids. Alright, so that's great. That's great. And here, I'm not going to make the slime myself since this is a gift for one of my nephews. But look, it comes with everything that you can make glow in the dark glue. It has different paints, blues, purples, and pinks. Has glitter, and it has all the stuff you need. Clear glue. It has all the stuff you need to make slime. And it also comes with some beads. So your kids that are really into slime, or yourself. It also comes with some measuring cups, so that's great. And then it also comes with little storage containers, which is cute. It also comes with a slime activator, so this is perfect.